Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We are continuing with chapter number 4 of class 6 English book Living English. The name of the chapter is The Fighter. As we read in the last class that The Fighter is a chapter or a story about two boys who are participants of the NPS cricket junior team. One is a 12th person and one is the uh, captain of the team. Okay, Rahul is the 12th person and Imran is the captain of the team. Both are playing the game and suddenly Imran gets out and Rahul says that he should not have done it on purpose, although Rahul knew it very well that Imran was out because of his own reasons. Okay, so there's this tension going on between these two boys and their first innings have summed up with only 123 runs. ठीक है इन 26 ओवर्स के अंदर उन्होंने सिर्फ 123 रन बनाए और पूरी जो टीम है वो आउट हो चुकी है. ठीक है. एंड देन द lunch at the lunch time Imran said to Rahul that I know you're trying to spite me because of the argument we had yesterday, but remember that the team comes first. So Rahul को ये बात सुन के बहुत शॉक लगा था. Now we'll see what happens further. Rahul was shocked. He could not imagine Imran even thinking that he would get him out on purpose. Rahul जो है वो इस बात को लेके he was very much shocked that how could even Imran think of it. He said that how could even he could not even imagine, Rahul could not even imagine that Imran was thinking that he has got him out on purpose, कि उसने जानबूझकर इमरान को आउट करवाया. राहुल ये नहीं सोच पा रहा था कि इमरान ऐसा भी सोच सकता है. Rahul had a reason to feel hurt. The whole school knew what a fighter Rahul was. Okay, Rahul had a reason to feel hurt. Rahul को बुरा लगना जो है that was very obvious because the whole school knew that what a fighter Rahul was. In fact, he was a brilliant fielder. He was a very nice fielder और उसको ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मतलब how could even Imran think about it. He was not hugely talented. He really sparkled on the field with huge scores or achieved sensational through breakthroughs with his bowling, but when the chips were down, he was even ready to contribute his might either with the bat or with the ball and in the field. Because सबको पता था that Rahul was a very enthusiastic player. He was very much into the game. He was not extremely talented. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा talented था या वो बहुत ज़्यादा runs बना सकता था और he could take a lot of wickets. But whenever the team was in problem, he was ready to do whatever was told to him, whether it be with the bat or a ball or anything. However he can contribute to the game, he would. He was a fighter in the true sense of the word. That he was actually a fighter in the true sense of the word. Even though he was not hugely or highly talented, he would still give his best for everything. Rahul was stung by Imran's remark, but he did not react. He decided that he would not let his performance on field. He would let his performance on the field do the talking. Rahul was stung. Rahul was ऐसा Rahul को लगा कि किसी ने उसको बहुत तेज कुछ चुबा दिया है. Was so badly hurt with what Imran has said, but he did not react. उसने इमरान को वापस कुछ भी जवाब नहीं दिया है. He decided that he would let his performance do the talking. उसने कहा कि मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. जिस तरीके से मैं गेम खेलूंगा वही सारी बात करेगा. I'm not going to say something from my mouth. The VHS team started cautiously but was soon cruising along. At the halfway stage, they were 83 for 3. It was then that Venkat and Vishnu, the spin twins of NPS, struck. Okay, the VHS team was started cautiously, means very carefully they started, but was soon cruising along. Soon cruising along means they were playing well now. Okay, at halfway means out of the 30 overs, at 15 overs, they were 83 for 3. Okay, they have made 83 runs in 15 overs, and their Rahul's team and Rahul and Imran's team could not even make 100 in 23 overs. They were at 97 in 23 overs. Okay, and then Venkat and Vishnu, the twin twins, means they were these two batsmen who came over the crease. Okay, within 8 overs, they had the rival team reeling at 108 for 8 in 28 overs. ठीक है, विदिन 8 ओवर्स 8 ओवर्स के अंदर जो राइवल टीम है वो 108 रन्स पे पहुंच गई थी इन 28 ओवर्स. सो नाउ दे हैव 2 ओवर्स दैट इज 12 बॉल्स. ठीक है, एंड दे हैड टू मेक this. They were on 8 runs and they had to make 123 runs. The VHS had to score 16 runs in the 2 overs and with 2 wickets in hands. The Dangerman James was still at the crease on a steady 34. Now they had to make 16 runs in 12 balls, which is not much of a difficult task. And there was their Dangerman James named player who was still on the crease with a steady 34. He has made 34 runs and he was still playing. Rahul had not been brought on. Imran now gave him the ball without the ball. राहुल को जो है अभी तक बॉलिंग करने का चांस नहीं मिला था और इमरान ने उसको बॉल दे दिया बिना कुछ भी बोले. His first 3 deliveries were bang on target and James could not put them away. His first 3 balls were very well. James could not even put them away. वो एकदम भी इसको hit नहीं कर पा रहा था. The home crowd cheered every such ball. The home crowd means the people who were standing there. It was in their school. And the people of their school only, they cheered each and every such ball. They were very happy with the way Rahul was bowling. Rahul now got a little overconfident. He decided he would try to get James out. He bowled a Yorker, a ball which he bowled rarely but always with great results. ठीक है. राहुल जो है वो थोड़ा सा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया था कि अरे आई कैन टू डू एनीथिंग. He decided that he would try to get James out. He bowled a Yorker. Yorker is a ball which hits the ground around the batsman feet. पाँव के पास में एक बॉल डालते हैं उसको Yorker कहते हैं. And he said that he did that ball once in a while, but it always gave good results. James was an experienced player with a good temperament and powerful shoulders. He read the delivery perfectly and stepped out to hoist it over long on for a huge 6. ठीक है. James was also a very experienced player. उसको पहले से पता था. उसने राहुल को देख के he could understand that he was going to give a Yorker. So he came forward to hit the ball and he hit a 6. There was a hush in the entire stadium. The crowd was stunned. Rahul's next ball was not a loose one, but James, inspired by the glorious 6, stepped back and cracked it to the square leg boundary for a 4. ठीक है. It was a huge hush in the entire stadium. पूरा जो स्टेडियम है वो एकदम चुप हो गया था. The crowd was stunned. Crowd जो है वो एकदम शॉक में आ गई थी. Rahul's next ball was not a loose one. राहुल का जो नेक्स्ट बॉल है वो लूज वन नहीं था, लेकिन जेम्स जो है उसने अपने 6 से जो इतना बढ़िया उसने 6 मारा था उससे इंस्पायर होकर उसने पीछे लिया और एक स्क्वायर लेग बाउंड्री मार दी और 4 रन जो है वो बना लिया. ऑन द लास्ट बॉल जेम्स टुक अ सिंगल एंड रिटेन द स्ट्राइक. ऑन द लास्ट बॉल James took a single and he retained the strike, means he came back to bat. The NPS supporters could not believe that Rahul has squandered all the good work done by the twins and the rest of the team. Now the NPS could not believe कि राहुल जो है उसने सारा जो टीम ने और सबने जो काम किया था उस सबको एकदम ही खराब कर दिया है. In 1 over he had given away 11 runs. In 1 over he has given away 11 runs and they had to make only 16 runs. So now they have 6 balls and 5 runs to make. The equation was now clearly in the favor of VHS. Now VHS was clearly about to win 5 runs to get in the last over with 2 wickets in hand, and most important of all, James was on strike. Rahul was shattered. He walked to his place in the square leg boundary, cursing himself for his overconfidence. Rahul को जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा था इस बात का. He moved to his place in square leg boundary, the side place. And he was cursing himself for his overconfidence. वो खुद के ऊपर ही गुस्सा कर रहा था कि इतना overconfidence करने की कोई जरूरत थी नहीं तुमको. ठीक है. Ranga, the strike bowler of NPS, was given the final over. James played the first ball for a single. Manjeet, whose skills with the bat were nothing great, could not score off the next 2. The 4th ball he managed to take a cheeky single. ठीक है. Ranga was the strike bowler of NPS and he gave the final over. जेम्स जो है वो पहला बॉल सिर्फ सिंगल मार पाया और मंजीत नाम का जो प्लेयर है was not very good at batting. He came on strike. Okay, and he could not score anything for the next 2 balls. Means first ball 1 run, 2 balls blank, and the 4th ball he could make a single. Now 2 balls are there and you have to make a 4 run. The 5th delivery did not concede any runs. The 5th delivery जो है उसमें भी कोई भी रन जो है वो नहीं बन पाए थे. Now James had to score 3 runs on the last ball to clinch the Regal Trophy for his team. अब जेम्स को जो है वो लास्ट बॉल में 3 रन बना देते ताकि उसको ट्रॉफी मिल सके. तो it's become a very exciting match now. The whole stadium was tense. Even the normally cool James was sweating. पूरा जो स्टेडियम है वो बहुत टेंशन में आ गया था. James, who was always cool, was also sweating as Ranga turned and began his run up. Rahul was playing hard. He knew if they could lose the match, it would be to a large extent because of his foolishness. Rahul was very much strained and very much tense because he knew that कि अगर मैच हारे तो उसके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं बहुत बड़ा जो रीजन है, that is his stupidity. Ranga bowled the last ball and James stepped out and gave a massive heave. रंगा जो है उसने बॉल डाली एंड जेम्स जो है वो बहुत आगे आके और एकदम घुमाया उसने बैट एंड इट वाज अ मैसिव हिट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. The ball took off like a rocket and headed straight to the spoiler boundary. Rahul saw the ball coming. It looked like it would fall short. ठीक है, राहुल जो है उसने बॉल को आते हुए देखा और उसको लगा कि बॉल जो है वो शॉर्ट में मतलब यहाँ पे क्रॉस बाउंड्री जो है वो क्रॉस नहीं करेगी. He sprinted ahead and dived. As he dived, he saw a sharp stone that was jutting on the ground. He had to make a choice. He could either catch the ball and face the risk of landing on the stone or avoid the stone and miss the catch. अब now यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, दो चीजें हो सकती है. Either Rahul could take the catch and save himself, or he could hit himself and take the catch. अब decision जो है वो राहुल को लेना था. Rahul dived headlong and smacked. The ball landed in his hand. The next moment, he felt a sharp pain and passed out. ठीक है, Rahul dived and then he holded the ball. It was in his hands, so definitely James was out. The next moment he felt a sharp pain and he passed out. Means he became unconscious or behosh ho gaya wahan pe. When Rahul opened his eyes, he saw a sea of faces staring him, all anxious, worried, and excited. ठीक है, जब राहुल की आंखें खुली तब उसने देखा that there were a lot of faces who were staring him, all anxious, worried, and also excited. Hey Rahul, are you okay? It was Ranga. Ranga is asking that, hey Rahul, are you okay? Can you get up? The coach was asking him with concern, lit large eyes on his face. तो coach जो है वो बहुत प्यार से और टेंशन से पूछे कि तुम उठ पाओगे? Can you get up? Boys, please let him get some fresh air. He heard the authoritative voice of Dr. Acharya. And then suddenly he is hearing the voice of Dr. Acharya. Authoritative means जो command करता है या जो एक order type का जो होता है. ठीक है, he there he said that let him get some fresh air. What happened? Did I take the catch? Rahul managed to ask. So Rahul was hit badly, and he's asking that what happened? Could I take the catch? वो मतलब ball मैं पकड़ पाया था या नहीं पकड़ पाया था? Of course you did. What a catch it was! Spectacular. The best I have seen. It won us the match, man. Okay, so everybody said that yes, you caught it. It was such a wonderful catch. It was spectacular. They were best I have ever seen, and we won the match and everything. The voices were drowning each other. एक दूसरे की voice को वो cover up करे because everybody was so excited. We won, really? Rahul exclaimed. Rahul exclaimed that really we won. Yes, we did, fighter. Thanks to you. Again, somebody saying that yes, we did, and fighter, that's thanks to you. Rahul looked up. He had not even noticed that his head was in Imran's lap. राहुल ने ऊपर देखा और उसको ये भी रियलाइज नहीं हुआ कि उसका जो सर है वो इमरान की गोद के अंदर था. ठीक है. How do you feel, buddy? Imran asked. Imran is asking that how are you feeling now? We won the match. How else will I be feeling except great? ठीक है, तो वो कह रहा है कि हम मैच जीत गए, इससे बेटर व्हाट कैन आई फील? वी वोन द मैच एंड आई हैव ओनली वन फीलिंग दैट आई एम फीलिंग ग्रेट अबाउट इट. आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर फीलिंग. That's the spirit, man. Drawled Ranga. Ranga spoke slowly that yes, that's the spirit. Rahul will be okay. The cut is not deep. I have taken care of that. There's nothing to worry. A couple of painkillers and he'll be fighting fit. Okay, Dr. Acharya is saying that Rahul will be okay. Don't worry. The cut is not deep. I have taken care of that. कुछ painkillers देना पड़ेगा and he'll be fighting fit means he'll be back fine. Yes, I'm sure of that. After all, he is our best fighter, Imran said, and everyone cheered. Imran is saying that yes, I'm sure of that. मेरे को एकदम पक्का पता है that he'll be fighting fit back because he is the best fighter. वो हमारा best fighter है. Imran ने ऐसा बोला and everybody cheered. So the tension between Rahul and Imran is also solved. They have won the match also, and it was all a very happy ending. So this shows that when you are ready to do something, when you are ready to fight for something, अगर आपको कोई चीज एक्चुअल में अचीव करनी है या वो आपको करनी है, you have to give your 100%, then it will come back to you. अगर आप उस टाइम पे ये राहुल अगर उस टाइम पे ये सोच लेता कि अरे कोई नहीं लग जाएगी मेरे आयुष्मा, तो sometimes you have to take the pain to get something. There's a saying ना, no pain no gain. If you are not taking the pain, you are not going to get something. आपको कुछ अगर achieve करना है तो you have to work hard for it. You have to take the pain for it. I hope Rahul's story inspired you all, and this chapter was clear to all of you. Thank you so much.